Alright, welcome to the game, everybody. Yeah, let's see. What they brought. Oh, they brought the Snorlax. We'll have fun real quick. Alright, as a reminder, this league has no Terra, so we don't have to worry about that. Let me see, what is it that they didn't bring? There's the Goldingo. They didn't bring the Hisuian Litigan. That's fantastic for me. I think my best play here will probably lead with Belly Bolt and probably Toxic something, or yeah, because I think they might just lead with the Kilowattrel. So I'm gonna go ahead and lead with the Belly Bolt. Good luck, have fun to Nicorayan. I mean, there's not really a point in leading anything else. If they lead with the Kilowattrel, they just get damage and something for no reason. If I lead with the Belly Bolt, at least I can get some initiative myself. Alright, good luck, have fun, my man. Man, I almost didn't bring the Hisuian. I almost didn't bring the Torkoal with Sun because of the Hisuian Litigan chance. So that's good that I didn't. That I just went for the optimal. And yeah, let's see how this goes. They're gonna leave with Shinobi Dash the Kilowatt. Yep. Yep. Alright, Belly Bolt. Alright. So I could go for the Ball Switch, which he cannot block. Or I could go for the Toxic. I think going for the Ball Switch is my best play, to be honest. So I'm gonna go for it. Let's see what they go for. They're gonna sub him. With this? With this? Well, that is annoying. Okay. Kilowattrel. Yeah, that is super annoying. What are you gonna do to me, though? You just fire up a bunch of Hurricanes, I guess? This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to Torkoal. I mean, Hurricanes are the only things that you can do, right? Okay, we're gonna go to Seth Rollins. We're gonna flip turn out. I guess. This Pokemon is annoying. He's just gonna Air Slash. Okay. He gets a decent. He gets a very good amount of damage. Kilowattrel. Let me see my Walking Wake. Kilowattrel. Air Slash. Air Slash. Yeah, seems about right. Okay. Well, could just go for the Hydro Sting. He could kill me with the thing, though. I'm gonna flip turn. I have to flip turn. Alright, so my assumption is this is gonna be Thunderbolt then, right? Do I wanna go to you? I mean, he's gonna Thunderbolt. Unfortunately, this thing doesn't do enough. If I go to you, how much am I gonna take with Torkoal? Torkoal, right, Thunderbolt, we're gonna take about 50. You and then just do the thing. I mean, I kinda have to, right? Just to activate my Weather Bolting. Gonna get the Sun up. Just go for an Air Slash. That's good for me. That does less damage. They may switch out, or they may just Thunderbolt. I'm gonna go into Belly Bolt. This is gonna be my second turn, so they can only do it a few more times. They're not leftists, so there must be boots on this. That is annoying. This bear is annoying. But I guess so. So assuming that the last move is Ruse, what you go into here? That's a good question. Man, I had that bird. Lowland. Serendipity. Okay. I mean, this Pokemon is always gonna be annoying, but my best play is always gonna be to... Well, what if he... You know what, this Pokemon is actually a really pretty freaking bad matchup for me right now. Alright, I mean, if he toxins me, I had to try the wall switch. Yeah, you're fucking kidding me. Okay. What's fair is fair. We get a nice exchange. Oh, sure, I've gone for the toxic. I didn't expect it to be U-turn off all the things though, but you know, punish is punish, right? Shinobia, so he's gonna recover his entire health. Fine. Okay. Oh, he's a fool because I activated that. Alright, so he's trying to put me on the Vortex, but on this, now you have a slow down thing. Alright. I mean, I'm gonna go for this. Yep. You can catch that. Should break this up. And it does. That's good. This toxic is gonna kill me though. Absolutely gonna kill me. Yeah, this toxic is super bad. I mean, I'm going for it again. Yep. Just gonna keep on doing this, and that's fine. Okay. So the question is, they will either roost here or go for another substitute. I think they're gonna go for another substitute. Though they could roost though. The roost will be annoying. I'm gonna go Seth. I don't think he attacks. I think he's gonna sub. Yeah, there's the sub. Okay. Alright. It is what it is. What are your switches to water moves? You don't have very good switches to water moves. So I'm gonna Hydro. Screw this bird. Alright, we know he has Volt Switch, which is not the worst. Air Slash. Good. That does not kill me. Anywhere near killing me. It's definitely gonna switch it, but I don't care. Yeah, something's gonna have to take some damage. Psycho. Deoxys, right? Oh, this thing, okay. No, this is fine. Okay. On this, we should go into Boomstick. If he paralyzes me, he paralyzes me. It is what it is. Here comes the boom! If I can get Belly Ball into this, that would be great. That's a Body Slam. Doesn't paralyze me, that's fantastic. Okay, a cool knockoff here. Probably my best play, right? Yeah, I mean, what are you gonna go into the thing? I'm gonna knock off. Okay, let's get rid of that item. If he goes into the bird, that would be fantastic. That is the Serendipity. This is relatively fun, I think. We get rid of the Shuka, which means I can just fire you out here. And we're gonna go ahead and do it. Because I don't see no reason not to. If he switches, he switches. But getting damage on this is very good for Sneasler. catch that high horsepower. And he gets paralyzed. That's fantastic for us. Okay. I think I U-turn here, right? Yeah, I'm a U-turn. If he tries to go into the bird, that will be annoying. So it is a better play for me to just U-turn out. If they called it and they called it, and they did call it, that's good for them. Critical hit. Nice. There are many things that could happen here. If he U-turns and goes into the bear, that would be annoying, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go into belly ball. They get paralyzed. That's tragic for them. 2 turns, man. But hey, I got toxic, so I'm not gonna complain. Okay. I think my best play here will be probably just to slack off. If they ruse with this, then they ruse with this, and they could have gone for the ruse in their 3 turns of paralysis in a row, by the way. That is unfortunate for them. Okay. They are very much healing, which is good for them, I guess. I think I could have set up myself, but... Are you gonna go into the stupid bird? They are faster than me, though. I'm gonna try to go for the toxic. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Yeah, that sucks. That sucks so bad. All my progress has gone for nothing just because of that stupid fucking bird. Okay. I mean, I knew this thing gets toxic. Gets this rule, so I should have done. I mean, if he goes into the bird, he goes into the bird. There's a jab. That does nothing. We will ball switch out. Okay. So, assuming this thing is defensive, let me see my Samurott versus this Fashion DPD. Razor Shell doesn't do anywhere near killing it, unfortunately. And this thing is pretty defensive, I will say. If I go boomstick, I have source power. I don't have. Let's go into Samurott. If he's max HP, but I don't think he's max HP. I'm just gonna go for the resource shot. I think he should kill it. Please. Thank you. Alright. That takes care of that. Now we have to deal with the other freaking bird. Yep. I will imagine his last move is Ruse. So if the last move is Ruse, then that's just unfortunate. Because if you're Rusing here, that would be pretty bad for me. Does a ball switch kill me from here? Kill Wattrel. It has a shot. It doesn't exactly do it though. we're gonna go for a reversal show. Goes for a sub. That's perfect. We're gonna break your sub, which is good for me. Now he's gonna ball switch. Into what? Maybe Weavile? Oh, let's go into Boomstick. Let's just go into Boomstick. Yep. Oh, come on, dude. Oh my god. I hate this. Alright, well, I guess we'll be back. Alright, everybody, welcome back. Alright, I think we managed to kind of sort of recreate a little bit of where we were. As much as we could. My belly ball is a little bit weaker than it was before, but it is what it is, whatever, man. I don't care at this point. They lost power, so unfortunately, you know, that's where we are at. But yeah, this is pretty much where we were at. Luckily, only one Pokemon was knocked out. And then we go from here, I guess. We'll see what they got. Let's see what they got. Lost sounds like a Weavile. Yeah. Right, and my best answer for this is the Belvo, which is super weakened at this point. How much will my Torkoal be taking from this? Weavile is offensive. My belly ball. It would just die. Torkoal. Takes a little bit too much for my own liking. Do I need Seth Rollins for anything here? I don't think so. Do I just give it up? I think I just give up. It seems so bad though. Alright, we kind of have to. We kinda have to. It's gonna crash. Alright. Do I see a Life Orb? I do not see anything. Okay, so how much does this do to Belly Ball? Belly Ball. Bicycle Crash. Crash. Actually, why don't I just go to Turbo here, actually. Yeah, let's just go to Turbo. It sucks having to give up the Wake, but, you know, at that point, with the stuff that he has, is probably the best thing that we can give up on. Having to take this hit is gonna suck, but it is what it is, right? Let's go for the Stealth Rock. I don't think he attacks here. Yep. Going to Snorlax, will be my guess. Psycho. Don't remember this. That is a Snorlax, yep. Alright, we do set up the Stealth Rock. That's good. We managed to get a little bit of health back, which is also good. We do have to go into Snorlax into this. Although he could hit Crash. Do I just Yan you? I think I just Yan you, actually. A Body Slam, that's gonna do a lot of damage. It does not kill me, however. Okay. Would you let me sleep your thing? Probably, right? At the same time, if it sleeps me, I'm okay with that. I think I'm gonna go to Jet Belly and try to recover some of my health. We'll see if this works out. If he's chested with this, then it's a complete waste, but it is what it is. The Weavile is probably banded, will be my guess then, if he just decides to go for the crash. But yeah, the kilowatt roll is super annoying. They are really thinking about what they want to do here. I'm hoping that it's not. Yeah, okay, they withdraw it. What would you go into? Loss. Back into Weavile. Okay. Man, I could have just go for the thing. Unfortunately, my belly bolt is not long for this war, I don't think. Yeah, should have thought it better. No, that Weavile is 100% bandit. Recover Song Hell. With the left this Song Hell with the thing. And the grass disappears. Weavile versus Belly Bolt. That Icy could crash. It's not doing the most. Unless it's bandit. I'm gonna try to stack off. It's gonna knock off. Didn't kill me. Yeah, that thing's bandit. Okay. Cool. I mean, I'm just gonna stack off here. Just gonna keep going for it. I respect it. I mean, between the toxic and the thing, it's just being annoying. I'm gonna go for the toxic here. Yeah, he's putting too much pressure. Ah! You know what? That's not the worst. That's not the worst. I will lose my belly ball here, but that is not bad at all. Okay. So I had the opportunity to do something to the Weavile here. The question is, do I want to Weavile versus my Samurott? Flip turn does about 77 if he's not bulky, so I think I gotta go for that. Yeah, okay. I mean, you can just give it up here, right? Let's go for a flip turn. It's gonna stay in. That's fine. I'm gonna go to Boomstick. Should I just give a Torkoal? My god, that does so much damage. Gotta go to Scissors Hands, right? I'm gonna go to Edward. Hopefully that's not a throw. Right. We got a defense boost. They get paralyzed. Oh, that's fantastic for me. That is so good for me. Belly Ball coming back from the grave to avenge our sins. Okay. Well, we have rocks up, so we are all set up. If he doesn't switch out here, he just loses. Yeah, he's going to switch out. Good play. El Nalis, I don't know what this is. It's this thing. This thing can take a hit. I know that. But, you know, we just gotta go for it. Gonna recover some health. Back to full. We just go for the throat chop here. Yeah, good prep. I might not even kill it with a second one, to be honest. That should kill me. That sucks. Very good prep with that. But we do have a Mihawk. And we'll try to go for the sister just now. Fair enough. Sack the Weavile. Yep. Doesn't. Yeah. No, he's playing really well. Yep. Right. Shinomiya. If you ruse here, that's super bad. So I had to go into this. Yeah, I shouldn't have. It is what it is, I guess. All right. Yeah, he's just gonna ball switch. Freaking good play. Going to what? The Snorlax, I would guess. Maybe. Even Goldingo will be good here. Is that a Goldingo? Yeah, that's fine. Well, this 100% is gonna kill me. I do value the Lileepool more than I value this, so I'm gonna go ahead and Flamethrower. But any hit that's killing from this. Okay. Yeah, I don't think that we're gonna win this. I didn't play that well. I shouldn't have let the Lileepool take so much damage. But it is what it is, right? You know, for the sister such. Yeah, the bird is basically gonna win for him. So that takes care of that. That's nothing for us, unfortunately. Normally I can just air slash, to be honest. Guess a roll. Oh, of course I get a freaking critical hit with this fucking bird, dude. Of course. That's exactly how I lost on freaking LET too. Because the fucking bird got a critical hit. Ah, I hate that fucking bird so much. I hate that fucking bird so much. GG's to Nico, dude. I just didn't play this well. Lileepool beat this freaking weekend. I cannot take any hit from this. Yeah. GG's, my man. You play really well, and I just. Damn, man, damn. That fucking bird, dude. I hate that bird so much. I hate that bird so much. But it is what it is, man. Well played, well prep. I'm just gonna have to try to come back next week. That's all we can say. Yeah, so all they had to do is stall out the turns of the rain. That did a lot. Huh. Well, here's the thing though. Even with that, I don't think that my Grassy Glide will kill it from where he's at. But we can try it. Yeah. Very nice, dude. I just played this horribly. I played this horribly. I wish I could redo this, but it is what it is, dude. Congratulations, Nico. Very well deserved victory. And yeah, we'll try to do better next week. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next week. Peace out.